Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SIM card and laptop. Power off your laptop and ground yourself to avoid static. Find the SIM tray on the edge or under the battery compartment, then use a SIM eject tool or unfolded paperclip to open it. Handle the nano or micro SIM carefully and align the cut corner before inserting. Close the tray gently and power the laptop back on to continue setup. After opening the SIM tray, align the SIM card precisely with the tray's notch and metal contacts facing down. Gently slide the tray back into its slot until it clicks, making sure it is fully seated and not crooked. Power on the laptop and wait for the operating system to recognize the module. If no signal appears, confirm the SIM is active with your carrier and retry the seating process gently to ensure proper contact. Once the SIM is inserted and the laptop is on, open your network settings and look for mobile broadband or cellular options. Enable the adapter if it is disabled, then add a new connection and choose your carrier from the list or enter it manually. Enter the APN and any username or password your carrier requires, then save and connect. Test by visiting a web page or running a speed check to confirm the cellular link is active and stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.